Hello, Brian Herbst here with Fidelitech Solutions, your local trusted IT services and cybersecurity partner. Today's Tech Tips Tuesday tip of the day is working from home. Don't do this. If you are working from home and you're using a personal device such as a smartphone or personal laptop to log into company-owned cloud applications, stop. Unless your personal device is covered under one of our managed security plans, you could accidentally introduce a virus or a hacker to your company's network. Only devices that have our advanced cybersecurity tools installed and are under our vigilant watch of patching, updating, and monitoring should be used to access your company's data. Remember that data in the cloud is just as vulnerable as data in your office. In fact, 59% of ransomware incidents where the data is successfully encrypted involve data in the public cloud. The cloud is where the attacker stole the data and where they store it awaiting ransom payments. We can set up a way for you to work from home securely. Call our office at 801-263-8858 or email us at info@fidelitech.net if you'd like us to set it up for you. If you have any questions about cybersecurity or some other IT-related issues for your business, please go to www.fidelitech.net/discovery call to book a quick 10-minute call. For a free security assessment, schedule an appointment at www.fidelitech.net/semperarmor.